Welcome to Over the Vast Nurseries on a lovely sunny morning in early spring. And as you see, I've moved into the greenhouse here because this is where we produce our edible plants, ones that you're going to see in our garden centres in the next few weeks. And there's all sorts of really great things for you to be able to grow and enjoy, and of course also eat at home. But here on the front, I wanted to show you this exciting variety of strawberry. Now, strawberries, of course, are wonderful, but whenever you grow them yourself and pick your own and bring them into the home, then it's even more delicious. And what's more, I wanted to make mention about this variety that's called Seascape, because this is a really good example of modern day plant breeding, because this is what they call a day neutral variety, a variety that, unlike the old-fashioned varieties that only carried their strawberries at the end of May or June time, in other words late spring and early summer, now this one will fruit in spring, summer and in the fall. It keeps on fruiting indeterminately as long as there's good growing conditions. And that's exciting because it means that, of course, you're able to very productively use your space. What's more, in that this is a nice compact growing variety that only gets to about 18 inches or so. And if you space them, if you're growing them in the soil in a raised bed, space them at about 18 inches to 2 foot apart, you'll find that they'll spread out with little runners to make clumps that in no time at all will then have very productive results. But the nice thing about this variety that we like is that it's a very, in fact, an excellent variety for growing in containers. So that if you've got a patio or deck or maybe even just a balcony, you can still grow and eat your own strawberries. So this is a variety that, as you see, is presented in these biodegradable pots. These are made from rice hulls and bamboo, no plastic pot that has to be removed. So what you do is quite simply take this pot and just plant it, pot and all, into the planting compost, and then wait for about 2 or 3 months until the plant establishes. You'll begin to see then the first little white flowers appear on it, and then of course these delicious bright red strawberries that taste so good. Also, a nice feature of this variety too is that it's got improved disease resistance. All in all, an excellent variety for you to be able to grow and enjoy. And one final thing I want to mention here, you'll see that on the top right hand corner of our tags is the Veriflora logo. That shows that the variety, and in fact all the plants that we grow here on the nursery, have been certified as being sustainably grown. That's a third-party organization that basically just checks on that. So lots and lots of really good things to tell you about. In particular, this exciting variety that was raised at the University of California in 1992 brings all of the modern technology into breeding a perpetual, ever-bearing variety. This is the wonderful variety of strawberry called Seascape.